$100 million USAA lawsuit, bad faith verdict stuns industry. Imagine being offered just $10,000 for injuries and losses that cost you millions. Now, picture fighting back and winning a $100 million verdict against a giant insurer. This is the jaw-dropping story of Timothy Kuhn and his battle against USAA that has insurance companies reeling. Timothy Kuhn, an ordinary policyholder, faced an extraordinary battle after a devastating car accident robbed him of his health. Though his injuries, like post-concussion syndrome, left him unable to live normally, USAA devalued his claim, offering only a meager settlement that many would find insulting. This led to a monumental lawsuit that unveiled USAA's alleged bad faith practices, including delaying payments and undervaluing severity. But the final blow? USAA intervening in another lawsuit against their own policyholder. Titanic-sized mistakes collided with justice, sparking a showdown. The term bad faith refers to a blatant disregard for fairness, honesty, or reasonableness in insurance claim handling. In Timothy Kuhn's case, these violations weren't overlooked by the jury, which ruled decisively in his favor, sending a thunderous warning to insurers everywhere. Here's where the story turns historic. A Clark County jury awarded Kuhn $7 million in compensatory damages for his anguish. But this wasn't just about making him whole, it was about sending a message. They added $100 million in punitive damages to hold USAA accountable for their alleged wrongdoing. The severity of this verdict isn't just a random figure, it's a wake-up call. It's a statement that insurance companies are not above accountability when they fail their promises to policyholders. One ruling, infinite implications for consumer rights. This landmark decision empowers regular people like you and me to demand fair treatment. It's not just Timothy's fight, it's a rallying cry against unjust claim denials, undervalued settlements, and dishonest tactics that could leave us all vulnerable when we need coverage most. Calling out bad behavior is no longer taboo. From documenting evidence meticulously to seeking legal advice, if an insurer fails you, you have the tools, and now the precedent, to fight back. Unsurprisingly, USAA disagrees with the jury's verdict. The insurer has stated its intent to appeal, exploring avenues to reduce the massive punitive damages. But will this battle create lasting reform in how policyholders are treated, or will insurance giants continue with their calculated acts of bad faith? The signals for the future are clear. Mistreat your customers at your peril. This case highlights how insurers need to strengthen compliance with ethical policies and change how they handle claims if they wish to avoid falling into a similar catastrophic situation. Are you dealing with denied claims? Take action. Preserve all communication and records, know your insurance rights, and consult legal experts if you suspect bad practices. Timothy Kuhn's case proves that persistence and preparation can turn the odds, even against a giant like USAA. With a verdict of such magnitude, changes reverberate far beyond USAA. Industry-wide reforms in handling claims might follow suit to safeguard consumer confidence. This case could be the catalyst for a much-needed shakeup in accountability among insurers everywhere. Timothy Kuhn's courageous fight wasn't just about his financial recovery. It was about bringing fairness back to a flawed system. Stories like his inspire individuals worldwide to stand up for justice, knowing the law and moral compass are on their side. Insurance policyholders like you now have a clearer path toward fairer treatment. From stronger legal backing to increased awareness, this case is the turning point many have been waiting for. The takeaway? Never settle for less when fairness and integrity are on the line. Don't let injustice win. If you feel shortchanged by your insurer, act now. Document everything, consult a legal expert, and make your voice heard. Watch this space for updates on the USAA appeal and how it might transform the future of insurance forever. Your protection matters. Demand it.